Everybody gives me a hard time. I call it Monday night stir fry. Stir fries are generally served with rice, and I'm kind of getting tired of rice, so I said, I want that kind of crunchy, noodly thing, and then stir fry all over the top. So I'm gonna do this in kind of 2 stages. I'm gonna do a basic stir fry for you, and then I'm gonna show you how to do that crispy noodle cake. So in the wok here, it's fairly hot. I'm gonna add some grapeseed oil, and then I am going to add my vegetables in order of cooking. Onions, carrots generally take longer, so they're gonna go in. I'm gonna add a bit of garlic in here because the vegetables aren't gonna get a lot of seasoning. So I'm going to put in some coarsely chopped garlic. Then I've got cauliflower, red pepper, mushrooms, broccoli, and I have snow peas, and I also have asparagus. I'm going to put this on the back burner while I talk about my noodles. So I'm bringing this pan over here, a little bit of grapeseed oil, and noodles. They're egg noodles, and this is what they look like. These have been cooked and drained and then wrapped in a kitchen towel. So I've got the pan hot, and I'm going to put the noodles in. Now, they're well rinsed, and then they are put into the towel. We're gonna let that cook. So I need a bowl, and I wanna talk about the ingredients that are going to change this simple, basic noodle into something that you just can't stop eating. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Ketchup mani. Really, I'll just define it as easy as this. It is an Indonesian ketchup. It is served in every rice toffel ever that you'll ever want. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of that. And the color is quite dark. It's much darker than a hoisin. So it's gonna really caramelize these noodles, and it's going to just give it this little bit of a umami flavor. 2 of soy. We're gonna do 1 of fish sauce. Agave, so we're gonna do a good tablespoon of agave. And lastly, as you all know, we're obsessed with our 2.0, and we're gonna do a heaping teaspoon. We're over here, we're charred here. And so what we're gonna do now is we are going to add the next layer, peppers and cauliflower. And at some point, I'm gonna put a little bit of water to get that steaming up so that they can start to cook a bit faster. It's gonna let that cauliflower get softened. Yep, these are drying up really nice. So now what I'm gonna do is this is going to be drizzled all over. Now this is gonna start the caramelization, so I'm gonna trade spots. So snow peas are definitely gonna be last, but I'm gonna say broccoli's gonna go in before the asparagus. Asparagus in. Going in with the mushrooms. What I want you to see is the crispy. Look at that. Oh yeah. I have a thing, everybody gives me a hard time. I call it Monday night stir fry. And I promise you this is really salty, so it kind of balances. You've got the crispy, salty, full flavored noodle, and then you've got the good, healthy, gorgeous stir-fried veg on the other side of it. If you want to give this a little color, the Indonesian ketchup is perfect, just to give it a touch of color. Just that little bit will give them just a gloss. Yum. So our veg is done. Also a good buffet dish. If you're doing a buffet and you're not sure of your guests, who's who in the zoo, great one to do. Everybody loves it. Mix those 2 herbs up, the basil and the cilantro. Boom, like that. And then our chopped cashews all over the top. Monday night stir fry. They can give me as many hard times as they want to, but I love this, and I hope you enjoy your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday stir fry as much as I do. Enjoy, it's delicious.